Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 16.
Awesome Math number 16. Yesterday we talked a little bit about remainders, and they had some challenging problems in the remainder section.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to review one this morning to make sure everything was sticking in your brain. Is it there on your brain? Not sure. So here's a problem very similar to one of the homework exercises you had yesterday. How many integers between 200 and 900 leave a remainder of 1 when divided by 5? Whoa. Okay? Do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Okay, you ready to charge into it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. How are you going to approach this problem?
Well, let's make a list of the numbers that suit this case.
Okay.
So, 201, 206, and all the way up to 891,
Okay.
896.
Whoa.
That's all the way up there.
Okay, so our beginning numbers are going to be 201, 206, 211, and it's going to go all the way up to 891, 896, and 901?
No,
No. Why not 901?
because it's 200, 900.
Oh, it's too big. Okay, great. Great. Alright, so we have that list. What are we going to do now?
Well, now we need to figure out how many there are.
Okay.
So, if we make a list of the actual multiples of the 5 that don't have that are not just the regular multiples of 5.
Okay.
So, 200, 205, all the way up to 890, 895.
Okay. So we could just say, hey, this list is going to have the same number of numbers as this list, just subtracting 1. When I subtract 1 from each number on the list, it doesn't change how many numbers are on the list.
Yeah.
Okay, good. How does this list help us?
Now we can divide everything by 5.
Okay.
So, over here, 200 divided by 5 is 40, so 40, 41, 42, and now 890.
Ooh.
Well, if we do the long division,
Okay.
890 divided by 5, 1, 3, 39, 35, 4, and then 48, 40, and then there's no remainder.
Okay.
Looks like it's 178.
So 890 divided by 5 is 178. Okay. How does that help us?
Now we know the ending number is 178. And then
Whoa. Wait a second. What number divided by 5 was 178?
890. Wait, that doesn't.
Which number were you dividing by 5? Circle it.
Oh, 890.
890.
So it's that number. So 179.
Okay. So 895 is going to be 179. So write 179. Give me the pen for just a second. Doing long division is fine, and it gets you where you want. You just have to make sure you match everything up, right?
Yep.
But we also could have said 900 was an easy number. It's 1 more than this that's on the list, and we could have divided 900 by 5.
Yeah.
Which might be a little easier. And what is 900 divided by 5?
Well, 900 divided by 5, it's 8. It's 80. It's 8. So, well, if we just do 90 divided by 5.
Yeah.
90 divided by 5 is is it 15, I think? No. Well,
What's 10 divided by 5?
10 divided by 5 is 2.
So what's 20 divided by 5?
20 divided by 5 is 4.
Sorry, 24. How did it go from 10 divided by 5 to 20 divided by 5?
You multiply by 2.
Okay, so it's 90 divided by 5.
Well, you have to, you have to multiply by 9, which is 18.
18.
So 180.
So 90 divided by 5 is 180. It would be right over here, 180. But we need to back up 1, which would bring us to
179.
179. So 900 divided by 5 might be easier. Might be. Anyway, okay, so our list goes from 40 to 179.
Then we subtract 39 from everything. We get 1, 2, 3. Now, if we make it easier and subtract 40 from 179 and then add 1.
Okay.
So it's 139 plus 1 is 140.
Okay.
So the list goes from 1 to 140, which means there are 140 numbers that suit that case.
Okay, awesome. Alright, so what we did is we wrote down all the numbers, and that was great. And now this is a tough list to count,
Yeah.
right? So we got to turn it into an easy list to count. So first we can subtract 1, and notice it goes from 200 to 895. Then we can divide by 5, and notice it goes from 40 to 179. That also doesn't change the amount of numbers on the list. Now we can subtract 40, and it goes from 1 to 140. That's an easy list to count, right?
Yeah.
So there we go. Now we can count that list. Okay, good job. Good job, sweetie. Now we can move on to the next section.